and welcome to my channel. In today's video I've got another gadget from Ottocast, this time Ottocast P3 PRO. Alright, let me start as usual from unboxing. Black box as usual, nothing complicated, nice and easy. And finally we've got the new Ottocast P3 PRO, which in my opinion looks a little bit different compared to the standard P3. It's quite heavy, you can feel that. Actually I can feel that. You've got the USB port C, that's for your power, HDMI output. Okay, from this side you've got slot for memory card and SIM card, and at the bottom you've got the air vents plus the switch between Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Of course we've got few cables. This one will be for my car. We've got USB port C and standard USB, another cable plus adapter for those who has USB port C in the car. As usual we've got Ottocast AI Box P3 Pro user manual in few languages. Okay, and all necessary or not necessary information you will find inside here. And also quick guide. Okay, nice, simple and very easy. I don't want to waste any more time. Let me plug in the device. Let's check the connection first. Yeah, it's the same like in Ottocast. You don't have to be worried about disconnecting the cable from the device while driving. Everything is nice and solid. Alright guys, as you can see that's your main screen, and let's be honest, this main screen is a huge upgrade compared to the previous generation of P3. First of all, as you can see, you've got completely different background. Is more light, it's not black or very dark. It's much clearer and easy to operate in my opinion. Anyway, let me know in the comment below what you think about it. From the left side you've got sat-nav, in this case Google Maps. Then you've got your audio player, you've got your weather app. Then you have few information like Ottocast, okay, is on a physical SIM only. If you will add some physical SIM card to this device, you will see exactly here. Alright, so you've got a few pages. Alright, so the second one actually is empty now. You can just add straight away from here, okay, plus and add, for example, I don't know, speed, let's say. Okay, so we've got the speed. If you're gonna drive, you will see exactly your speed from the GPS. Okay, you can add something more, of course, or you can just move, for example, that weather to the second page. No, that's strange. I was more than sure we can do it. We can do it. Okay, what we have here? We can exchange for the others. Okay, let's say to with the speed. Okay, we've got the speed right now. Okay, I'm more than sure if I'm gonna delete this one, then we can move something from here, from the main page to the second one. Yes, there you go. That's how it's work. Okay, so we can create another few widget here. I'm more than sure we can do one more page, we'll see, and then another speed, why not? Okay, and yes, and we can create another page, so we can create a few pages if you're interested about it. Anyway, at the top you can see a few widgets from the connection. If we do something like that, we will get the access to the shortcuts of the few widgets or few information, okay, including settings, or we can go out from this menu and we will be on the car system. Then you have to press the widget from Apple CarPlay and you will be again on the system. Here you can just see all the apps which are available on the system. You've got 3 pages, lots of apps, okay, lots of them, and I'm more than sure you can just download more from the Play Store if you are interested about it. And also we've got something like a focus driving, so that's mean if you press that you will see only the clock, nothing else. Then one click and you are coming back. So anyway, this system works very fast, okay? That's the home button, the back button. That's your split screen. That's your voice command from the system, including you've got the voice assist from the Google, but we can check that. Can you close all application? There we go, we are in the home button, but also we can do something like that. Could you open YouTube? Yes, so we are in the YouTube, but let's go back to the app. Okay, so all apps, we can also, from this page, also we've got multiplay, so we knew that from other Ottocast devices. What does that mean? We can connect our phone with this device from the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. What you need to do, you need to find this name of your Bluetooth. In my case, it's already done, okay? And you've got full Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, it depends what you like, okay? So everything what I want, I've got already here. If you want to go back, click the home, and you will be in the Ottocast system again. Let's go to my channel. Let's open some movie. So as you can see, you don't have many options, okay? So you can see some ads in the video, but you can watch only the video, which is 16 to 9. You will never see the video on the full of the screen. So on the full screen you will see only the video with which was recorded as 21 to 9. Okay, let's go back to the main screen and let's go to the Prime video, and you will see the difference. You see the video now is on the full screen. You don't have any other option to change the size of the video, but anyway, just look at that compared to my phone. That's Apple iPhone 15 Plus, and as you can see, the screen it's smaller, much smaller than the full screen of the video. And let's do something like a split screen and open, for example, Maps. That's always good example. Confirm. So and now you will see the maps on one side, and on the other side you've got the Amazon Prime. So you can split the screen only on half and half, 50 to 50, or just like that from both ways, okay? You cannot split how you like, for example, like that or like that, because that will be closed straight away. But anyway, if you like, you can keep, for example, the Google map here, all right? And passenger can watch some video on the bigger side of the screen, or just keep it half and half. It's up to you. So here you've got only 3 apps. You can add some more, okay? I mean just only one, let's say music, okay? Confirm. And that's all right? If you want to exchange, you need to just press, for example, the music and hold for 2 seconds. Then you can click the delete and nothing happen. And yeah, so the system will ask you if you want to remove it. Yes, I want to remove it, but don't worry, the app will be still available on this screen here somewhere. Yeah, it's here exactly. All right, let's go to the setting. Was somewhere, okay, here. Okay, so nice and clear, everything, whatever you like, is if you are a user of Android Auto, you will find without any problem what you have to do here. But then anyway, there is few settings about the personalization, right? Lots of them. Display, that's important. So you've got only 2 modes. You've got dark mode or light mode. Let's go to the dark. Let's go to home, and it looks like that. I don't know if you are a fan of that, but it's not bad. No bad, I will say. Okay, let's go back here. We can do it. No, we cannot. All right, let's go back again. I prefer the light. I don't know why. Okay, I prefer, to be honest with you, like in all cars, auto mode, but unfortunately there is no auto mode here. Okay, you can change your front size, display size. Okay, system settings. You can choose the place, language, anything like that, about, feedback, and more settings. And here is exactly like you are on the Android phone. But what is interesting, let's take a look at your storage. 21 gigabytes is used already, and you've got left 107 gigabytes. System takes 17 gigabytes. Apps only 3.5. Image 63 megabytes. That's megabytes. Okay, nice and easy. And if you have any question about this system, let me know in the comment below. But anyway, I will say, compared to the others, this one works quite fast. It's not a big delay, but you've got some delay with the voice at the YouTube, and that's what I don't like. But usually on most of that kind of devices you have the same problem, and it's much better than one child. Let me know in the comment below what you think about it. Hello and welcome to my channel. It's all new Sharry Tigo 7 hybrid plug-in. There is something like half second, I would say. There is nothing like that if you watch some movies from Amazon, so you don't have to be worried about it. It's only the problem watching the YouTube. Alright, I will leave the device plug-in in the car, as you can see, and I will just go for like, let's say 30 minutes, and we'll see after how many seconds this device will connect with the car once again. Nice and easy. Alright guys, and that's all about this gadget. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about it. As usual, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget about the discount code and the link which is below this video.